Meaning of drag.
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 Drag. The term drag can refer to multiple different things depending on the context. However, in a general sense, it typically refers to the resistance a moving object experiences due to the air or fluid it is traveling through. This resistance creates a force that acts opposite to the direction of motion, making it harder for the object to move. In practical terms, drag can result in reduced speed, increased fuel consumption, and decreased efficiency for vehicles that rely on movement through air or fluid.